How to add Instagram banner on Facebook profile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to display your Instagram banner or your Instagram link directly on your Facebook profile using iOS or Android. In this tutorial, I'm using iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you gotta open your Facebook application and then you gotta click on the menu icon at the bottom right. If you're using Android, you'll be able to see this option at the top right. So simply click on menu and then you gotta click on your profile or your name. And once you do so, you will be redirected to your profile. So what you gotta do is scroll down, and here in details section, you gotta click on edit public details. If for some reasons it is minimized, you can simply click on this arrow over here and click on edit public details. So once you have clicked on that, you'll be redirected to your edit profile section. Here you can edit your profile picture, your avatar, cover photo, bio, and details such as city, workspace, etc. So what you gotta do is scroll all the way to the bottom till you find the option of links. So you gotta click on add over here, and once you do so, you'll be redirected to edit link section. Here you can add social link and you can add website. Now in our case, if you wish to add your Instagram profile, so you gotta click on add social link, and here you gotta select platform. In this list, you gotta select Instagram, and then you gotta type down your Instagram username. So I'm gonna type that down and click on done. And after that, you gotta click on save at the top right. And you can edit that to who you wish to show your Instagram banner, either public, friends, or only me. And once you have done that, you'll be able to see that an Instagram banner has been added to your Facebook profile. So that is basically how you can add Instagram banner on Facebook profile. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.